down by both gents then. Both for them well.
Oh, that's a big left hand.
He's hurt him.
Nice uppercut by Pedokarin. He's going for the kill, but
That opening, as he's done in the previous rounds. There it
and
is.
there we go.
There it is. It goes to town.
Down he takes.
Taong 2013, lumaban sa unang pagkakataon sa labas ng Pinas itong boksidor na tubong jinsan at under sa stable ni Manny Pacquiao na si Randy alias Rizor Pitalcorin. Australia ang pinuntahan para kasahan itong dayong boksidor din na mula Thailand na si Pat ni Maprim. Para ito sa pagdipinsa ng Pinoy sa kanyang titulong Pan-Asian Boxing Light Flyweight title. November 8, 2013 ang eksaktong pitsa ng kanilang bakbakan at ginawa ito sa Town Hall, Malvern sa Australia. May impresibong record ang Pinoy dito na 19 wins, only 1 defeat, 1 draw, 21 anyos. Habang 35 wins, 20 losses, 1 draw, 29 anyos naman ang kalabang taga Thailand. Bago ang laban, ay galing sa impresibong panalo itong Thai boxer via first round TKO, habang galing naman sa isang technical draw ang Pinoy. Pero sa kanilang laban na nakaschedule sa 12 rounds, ay di na pinatagal ng Pinoy ang bakbakan. Maagang tinapos via TKO ang laban. Napaluhod ang pambato ng bansang Thailand sa lakas ng suntok ng Pinoy. Muli nating balikan ang maaksyon nilang laban. Introduction pa lang ay makikitang gigil na itong pambato ng Thailand. Gustong ngat-ngatin na agad ng mga kamao ang ating pambato.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Fight number 5 here at the Melbourne Town Hall. Pinoy Artist Production, proudly sponsored by Ultra Tune in conjunction with Fight Sports.
Amazing stuff, and we're going to see a high quality international class fight. So Randy Pedokarin ranked number 2 with the WBA.
Round 1, nagpakita agad ng galawan itong kalaban na bukod sa pagiging boxer ay dati din daw itong Muay Thai fighter. Pero di naman nagpapahuli ang Pinoy, agad nagpaulan ng mga kombinasyon.
Randy, a big puncher. Sam Rensack. The orthodox Randy already teeing off. Some beautiful
nice
shots
there
at the Melbourne Pavilion for a WBC title shot in December.
Look at those flurries, this combination from the 21 fight. So he's had an very great start to his career, but he's only 22, so
An ounce of fat on him. Against a cagey up and come.
for Pedokarin.
Extremely fit. Not an ounce of fat on him. Against a cagey up and come.
Matinding palitan ng mga kombinasyon sa mga huling segundo ng round 1, pero makikitang mas naaalog ang kalaban.
He's hurt him.
Nice uppercut by Pedokarin. He's going for the kill button, which is something not seen before at this venue.
Clubbing left or right hook there by Randy, sorry. Southpaw fighter. Good first round. NBA title. Randy Pedokarin probably getting.
He's got very good ability, Sam Rensack, Sigmanisak. So
Round 2, bilis at lakas ang gamit ng Pinoy dito, habang tila nagpapabugbog na lang itong Thai boxer.
Oh, beautiful hook uppercut.
brilliant Pedokarin with the right hook as well. And he's looking to follow up against the ropes and he's attacking him.
Balance, Randy.
Punches and bunches here by Pedokarin.
In the zone, goes to work and hops out.
You know why he's ranked WBA number 2? Tremendous ability shown that Pedokarin has.
Passing these two fighters tonight.
And I think the crowd agrees because they are pretty...
Matapos ang isang minuto, ay nahuli ng isang solidong kaliwa itong kalaban at bagsak sa unang pagkakataon sa kanilang bakbakan.
Full house down here at the Melbourne Town Hall. Oh, beautiful straight left.
He's down for the count.
He's gonna get up into tough left.
Pero talagang palaban din itong Thai boxer, bumangon pa sa bilang at pilit tinuloy ang suntukan.
Pedokarin right hand, left hand. And no, that won't be a knockdown.
Tony Moretta. Jeez, he's beautifully balanced street.
He is.
See the way he just sort of works around, doesn't overexert himself, those uppercuts, hooks. What a kid of punches.
Moves around the ring great as well.
Cheeky left hook there by Sam Rensack.
It's the high quality.
Yeah, Randy just getting his range. He gets his range, he steps in, angles. And he's hard to hit, he's always moving.
He looks very fluid, Pedokarin. This is brilliant.
He's timing that uppercut beautiful. It's only a matter of time. Samransek's got to pull something out of the bag.
Running about 15 kilometers every morning, so fitness is certainly no issue for Randy Petal-Corin.
Magnificent fighter. A great stable down there with Big Hargraves and Adam Wilcox. Great second round. The Melbourne Town Hall, the semi-main event, the PABA title, Randy Petal-Corin in the red corner versus Sam.
Round 3, tuloy pa din ang laban. Ginagawang punching bag na lang ni Kabayan itong kalaban.
He got it really nearly stopped him. Samransak, Sigmanasak. But Sigmanasak, to his credit, has stuck in and then landed a few good shots of his own in both rounds. Let's see if he can really work his way into this contest.
He's attacking in the zone or he's coming up with punches. He doesn't stay in there. And he's got this support.
Matapos ulit ang isang minuto, nahuli na naman ng kaliwa ang kalaban, nahilo at nirat-rat na agad ni Kabayan ng mga suntok at luhod ang Thai fighter.
That opening as he's done in the previous rounds. There it
And
is.
there we go.
There it is. It goes to town.
Down he
Oh,
takes.
he's down, and that's it. Tony Moretta's called it in. The PABA title.
Great
Randy
performance.
Petal-Corin. Fantastic performance here tonight.
Panalo ang Pinoy via third round TKO at matagumpay na nadipinsaan ang titulo.
In the official time, Tony Moretta said enough is enough. 1 minute 14 seconds into round 3. You win by technical knockout and a big hit in Australia. Randy Ultra Tune Petal-Corin. How about a big round of applause there for to attach the championship belt. We retained his title actually. Retained the championship rank. Ultra Tune. Exciting young prospect.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.